Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Wix domain. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your homepage dashboard. Once you're there, locate the Settings option, usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to proceed. Within the Settings panel, look for Domains. This section allows you to manage all your domain-related configurations. Click on Domains to access the Domain Management page. If you haven't connected any domains yet, Wix might prompt you to add or purchase a new domain. But since we're transferring an existing one, skip that and find the domain you want to move. Before starting the transfer, it's always a good idea to review an official Wix help article about domain transfers. Next, on your domain management page, locate the specific domain you wish to transfer. Once found, click on the three-dot icon Domain Actions menu next to it. From the drop-down menu, choose Transfer Away from Wix. This option begins the transfer process. After that, you'll be asked to review important details about your domain transfer, including any requirements your new host might have. Once you're ready, click Transfer Domain and confirm by selecting I still want to transfer. Wix will then send a transfer authorization code, also known as an EPP code, to the registered email address associated with your domain. This code is crucial, as your new hosting provider will need it to verify and complete the transfer. Finally, check your email for the authorization code and follow the instructions provided by your new domain host to finalize the transfer. And that's it. So that is how you can transfer Wix domain. So that's all for this video. Thanks.